Tane. I got Big Boy and Turkey with me. We just got done building us some stands. I don't know if y'all can see it because of the sun, but yeah, we just got done building these stands for our plates. Okay, see, we got some plates over here. Let me space this out a little bit. All right, that's a little. I think that's a little bit better. Anyway, we heading back about 36 yards, and yeah, the boys over there, they ready, y'all. They ready. So we gonna see if they can hit that target. One of them at least. All right, we got Misty out here with us and Cheeky. So let's see what these boys can do. We are in a safe environment. So wherever you are, whatever you're doing, remember, be safe and patient, y'all. Let's go. All right, y'all. So we at about 36 yards, probably a little bit over 36 yards. Big Boy got Misty with him. Make it hot, athlete. Let's see if he can hit the big one. Now, the big one is a 12-inch target, I believe. And you hot?
Yes, sir.
All right, he's hot and ready, y'all. Let's go for the 12-inch target, the big target, and then we got a 6-inch, and then we have a 3-inch, I believe. So let's go for the 12, y'all. You should hear it ding if he hits it. Whenever you're ready, athlete, just send one down range. Let's see if you can hit it.
I hit to the low left of it. I almost got it.
All right, go ahead. Good hit. Impact. All right, do a double on it. Good job. All right, put it on safe. Let's see what Turkey can do. You could go right there, Turkey. Now you know what? Step on up. All right, move out the way, big boy. Let Turkey have the lane. All right, Turkey got Cheeky, and let's see what he can do. He is running a full optic. It is the right-on optic that we have. And at 36 yards, you better have that thing on low power, dude. All right, go for it. Go for that 12-inch. Go. Good job, man. Now, can I get a try? Can I borrow one of y'all's, man?
You want Misty?
Yeah, let me try Misty. Hold on, y'all.
Alrighty. He's got Misty. You ready, athlete?
Come on.
Whenever you're ready. Woo! Nice.
How was that?
You hit all of them.
I know. What I supposed to?
Yes, sir.
Let me try that 3-inch real quick. I can't even see it.
Ah.
Did I hit it?
No, sir.
I didn't think so. I ain't see it. I was just messing with y'all. Oh, I'm empty. I'm empty, y'all.
Alrighty, stand by, people. Alrighty, people, we got Turkey on the line running Cheeky. You ready, athlete? Whenever you're ready, go ahead and send it. Woo! Woo! He hit it. Nice. Yes, sir.
All right, big boy. So What you gonna do now?
We're gonna try and hit from the left biggest to the middle, all the way to that smallest one. So left to right, try to sweep them out.
You only got 10 rounds now.
Well, I just have to make 3 shots, huh?
Okay, that sound cool. Now we are using our low development, so this is a different low development from the first ones we just got done with. So let's go ahead, make it hot, big boy. All right, whenever you're ready, athlete. Go. Pause.
My brass catch is open.
Yeah. Come back. Yes. Alright, just come on with it. Don't worry about it.
I just gotta hit that last small one. I missed?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
That was just above it too.
How many times you gonna hit it, dude?
What?
You just hit it like 3 times.
Are you serious?
You don't see the thing flipping? This is the problem when you shooting directly, you know, in front of that big light right there. But
like,
it's a good exercise, you know, because hey, hopefully it keeps them on point. All right, so go ahead. You gonna finish up? Go from right to left. Go back to that 3. Work your way to the 6. Work your way to the 12. Go.
Miss.
Yeah, you out of there. You go. All right, y'all. He empty. You empty, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's get turkey up here. All right, y'all. Here it is. Here go the man with the plan. Turkey, you kind of like cheating though with that right on optic, don't you think? At 36 yards.
It doesn't go to 1.
What'd you say?
It doesn't go to 1. It's stuck at 6.
Okay. All right. Let's see if he can go left to right with it. I mean, yeah, left to right with it, y'all. You ready, athlete? Go for it. How that feel? How that feel, turkey? It ain't no AK, huh?
No, it isn't.
They feel about the same though. Alright, y'all stand by. He did real good. He hit most of them.
Alrighty. Our athlete is back here, 50 yards. He's posted up. Are you ready?
Baby. Yeah, let me make it hot, y'all. Alright. You ready? I'm going right to left. Let me know.
Go for it. There's 1, 2, 3. He did it.
That felt good, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. This thing is so dead on. Good job, folks. Good job. All right, everybody. We got Big Boy back on the scene. So, what you trying to do, Big Boy?
Just trying to get a feel for Cheeky out here in the sun. I don't think I've ever used Cheeky at close range like this at 30 yards, 20 yards, 50 yards. I'm pretty sure we've only used them at 100.
Right.
So I want to try and see what I could do when we're closer.
If you miss, you getting us some plates.
Okay.
All right. Y'all heard him, y'all. Y'all my witness. He finna get us some plates.
So
All
what
right.
is it, like 2 misses, 3 misses?
1 miss.
1 miss. Okay.
All right, make it 3 misses, man.
Okay.
Oh, that's not fair for me though.
2.
2. All right, we'll
2.
go for 2.
I'm
So
trying to do.
if he missed 2, y'all, he buying me and Turkey a plate. Okay, and we ain't talking about no steel plates. We talking about some food, y'all. Come on now. All right. So what you gonna go for that 3 or what?
I'm gonna try to do left to right.
All right. You
Out of those 2 misses, we'll see.
All right, 36 yards, y'all. Whenever you ready.
Get loaded up.
Cheeky got a little weight on him, huh?
Yes, he does.
Go ahead, whenever you ready, athlete. That's 2 already. That's 2 misses already.
No, I missed once.
That's
Dang. I was still trying to
yeah.
There we go.
So what you want to do, man? You want to take it back, son?
Yeah. Try 50 out.
Come on, let's go, y'all. We gonna take y'all with us. 50, 50, 50. Oh yeah. Y'all excuse all the patties we got around here. You know, this is you gonna stand up?
Yes, sir.
All right, come on. We at 50 yards, y'all. 50 yards. Go ahead, big boy. What you going, left and right or right and left?
I'm gonna just try the middle one.
Okay.
Miss.
Call it, Turkey.
There we go.
Impact.
You hope?
Impact.
I'm gonna try the small right one.
Chicken getting real heavy, ain't it?
Yeah!
Good job. Impact. All right, man. Come on, man. You got. Come on with it.
Dang it. That's fun.
That's what's up. Turkey,
like
you trying it over here? Oh, you want to try it with Cheeky? Turkey, he like Cheeky. hey, it's hard to see with that what is that optic? It's a real good optic, that Tacticon optic, but you know, with that big bulb of light right up there, it makes it kind of, you know, challenging. All right, you ready? All right, go for it. Where you going first, though?
Left to right.
Hold on. Hey, Turkey, get your strap, dude. Your shoulder strap. All right. Where you going now? You going for the 3-inch first?
Good.
You can go for the middle first.
Hit. Almost. There we go. Hit. Hit.
Do you feel like Arnold, John?
No, sir. He had a 1887. I'm trying to remember what it's called. It's a lever action.
His brain is working, huh?
And yours isn't?
Hey, I'm just here for fun.
All right, come on, y'all. Let's go. Y'all ready for this? Hey, look, y'all. Big boy got some jokes talking about you need shade. Yes, I do. From that big old light over there, y'all. You know, like I said, it's kind of challenging using the Tacticon optic. But I might have a better chance now, though. So, let's try it out. Again, all the rounds we're using are low developments that we've created, all right? Let's go. I'm gonna go for the big one. I'm gonna go from left to right. 12, 6, and 3. Here we go.
Oh, you flipped it.
I think I did flip that middle one. It's stuck, y'all. Y'all, man, y'all gonna go fix it?
I'll go fix it.
All right.
Turkey to the rescue. Let's see what happened.
It got pinched and caught. It was like this. Good craters right there.
So what you want me to do?
Since that middle plate caused a little hiccup, we're just gonna have you start on the right and then go to the middle to the biggest.
All right. I'm in.
Athlete, you ready?
Ready.
Go.
Hitting it?
You just hit it. Yes. Hit.
Woo!
I got one more. I missed the middle, right?
There we go. You hit it.
I know. All right, I'm out, y'all. I'm out. I'm gonna let them get it, man. Whew. If y'all ain't went out to range day, y'all need to go. Like, it's so beautiful out here, y'all. Even if you go to the indoor ranges, they might have a few more people off in there, but you gonna get to enjoy yourself and have a great time with your family and your friends. And as long as you exercise with safety first, hey, believe me, you're gonna be grinning. Y'all gonna have something to talk about the rest of the month.
I think right here.
All right, y'all. Big boy is back. He's back at 36 yards. And he just loved all that light. You sure you don't want no shade, boy?
I'll be fine.
Oh, okay. All right. Which way you going with it?
I'm gonna try to do same thing, left to right, and see what I can hit, what I can get.
All right, let's go for it. Make it hot.
I got stuck again.
Don't worry about it.
I was above it,
Yep.
below it. There we go.
About time. You almost out, ain't you?
I think I have three.
Go
three
for
left.
it. Come on. You playing around, big boy.
I'm out.
Check. Yeah, you out. All right. So what you got in mind now, Turkey? What you gonna do?
Probably gonna try to use this bipod and hit something at that 50-yard mark.
Okay, okay. All right, let's go on out there with them, y'all. All right, Turkey, so what we doing?
I'm gonna try and hit those targets from here on the floor. Got 10 rounds in the mag,
What's your distance?
50 yards.
All right, you go left to right, right to left? You go for a single target or what?
Let's do left to right.
All right, go for it.
Dang!
That was it?
That was it.
Oh man. He hit every single last one of them. Alright, y'all, we finna walk back over here. Alright, so what y'all think, man? What y'all think?
That was very fun. Very exciting.
Bit easy.
Oh, what you say, Turkey?
A bit too easy.
A bit too easy.
This is easier to see it.
Turkey.
Six times.
Man, Turkey cheated today, y'all. Y'all remember when Big Boy cheated me and Turkey last time? See, they got it going on today.
I didn't even have to use the illuminator.
Hold on, I can't hear you. What?
Didn't even have to use the illuminator.
Oh, okay.
He got jokes. He's had jokes this entire time.
You're the one that's got no brain.
What? You still on that, huh?
Okay, so
I forget.
what y'all think though, man, about the distance and it's a lot closer proximity for Misty and Cheeky, especially for Cheeky. What do y'all think though?
I think they perform very well. I think they're very smooth. I think they're very easy. Handling especially on Misty, it's light. It's very easy. Sight picture, your optic is so clean. I have no other words. It's just really good.
What about you, Turkey? What you guys say about Cheeky since you've been running Cheeky?
Pretty front heavy, but other than that, it works. I love hitting the thing.
Hey, oh, by the way, talk about hitting some things. You owe me and Turkey a play.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. We finna head on out.
Of course.
All right, y'all. We go. We out of here. We finna go get some grub. So remember, y'all. UConn.
Do it too.
Wait. I think we need to redo that. That was unexpected.
All right. Remember, y'all. UConn.
Do it too.
Peace.